Hey guys, all right, I'm just coming back from makeup. I'm about to record another episode of Between Two Buckets, but I just walked in on a true expert at work right now. He's our product line manager. You've seen him in the other videos, Shane Edwards. All right, let's go catch up with him and let's see what he's up to. He's just over here. There he is. Let's get rid of this thing. He's gonna make fun of me, you know that. All right, Shane Edwards. Sir, listen, happy to catch the chef in the kitchen here, but what are you working on, bud?
You know what I'm working on, okay?
All right. The chef is a little cranky, apparently.
Well, you interrupted me, so.
Mapefloor Compact, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, there we go.
Mapefloor Compact. It is a trowelable, decorative quartz epoxy. Shane, did you want to explain a little bit more what you're doing?
Yeah, everybody, I'm actually just applying the material up the wall. If you notice there when he came and interrupted me, it was pre-primed with our primer SN. The one thing that's key before applying this type of product is that you want to ensure that that primer is tacky. So you look at our data sheet, we got what, 30 to 40 minute working time, okay? But it's about everything, right? It's about making sure that when you're applying something up the wall, and typically an eighth, you can go up to about 3/16, but an eighth is common, and as you should have applied it, right? So I let the primer tack up, getting back to the point, I've put it up the wall, as you can see, about 1/8, right? And you can see I'm doing this by hand, right? I kind of have a gauge. You can see nothing's falling off the wall, right? I take my time because it's a well-oiled machine, right? And if you look at the little things I do have, as I put this up the wall and I got rudely interrupted by Mr. Tamer. No, it's cool. As you can see, I have a smaller trowel. Why do I have a smaller trowel? It's always good for like little corners, little edges, okay?
Got it.
I have a medium trowel, right? Longer, so I can actually finish it.
Interesting.
And then I have my radius trowel, which is, you know, it's to finish the radius, right?
Yep,
so the three important tools, right? That's
cool.
very key.
Radius. Look at, guys, not bad, right? Huh?
Don't touch my tools, okay? So now, I'm gonna use the water bottle this time, right? Like just a little spray, right? One for the trowel, one for Tamer.
Yay.
Close.
All right, let's take a look here, guys. Oh, wow. Look at that. Does adding the water have any negative effect at all?
No, it actually helps close it, as you can see, right?
Okay.
And look at that, okay? Very simple. All you see was guiding it, letting the trowel do the work. Now, I'm gonna prime the surface, so.
No, I'm gonna jump in. So where would you apply this product? What would be like the ideal spaces where I want to install
commercial, industrial, like and especially like the healthcare, you want to put in the patient rooms. Okay. They want that decorative look, right?
Yeah.
But anyways, can I get back to what I was saying?
No, for sure. Yeah.
What was very important, it's a wet-on-wet application. What does that mean? As you can see, I'm applying the primer, right? I already applied the primer where? I applied the primer here, right? I'm gonna take the exact same material, yeah? Right? So all I'm doing, guys, typically, what would you do in this? Would you just trowel it? So you see, look, I'm leaving that radius there. Why? Because I'm gonna do a radius, but also I'm just floating it, right? I'm gauging it with my trowel, right? I like to cut into it now and again, right? And look how easy it comes off. Easy. Just gonna do this, come over here. Again, and what would you typically use? Typically a screed box, because obviously you wanna ensure that you're getting that proper thickness, okay?
So would you be able to apply this in like, let's say a hospital, like in a shower, for example? Where would you put it?
Shower, anywhere. It could be in the corridors, could be in the showers.
So you can slope this, is what I'm trying to say.
Okay, so yes, I can change the geometry, I can crown it, I can slope it. So you see, look, I'm doing it again, just using my water.
Interesting.
Right? And then look. Just closing it. That's it. Look at that, guys. Look, easy. Effortless, right?
Okay. And I noticed this here. What is it?
Look, this is key.
Is it to sign your name on the bottom, or?
Yeah, this is on plastic. It's not gonna stick to plastic, as you all know out there. I make this little cube, pat it down. That's it. And then when that cures tomorrow, like this, I'm gonna stone all the imperfections out. And then it'll be nice and neat. I won't get like that burnishing, right? And then I can usually come back to this, I can seal it, and away we go. Like I'm pretty much ready for the radius, right? So now it's uniform, easy to trowel.
That's awesome. Anyways, thanks a lot, Shane. Really appreciate you showing us how this works. And but no, this is good work, Shane. Keep up the good work.
Thanks, man.
All right, this is more like it. Between my good friends here, my buckets. As you got to see, Mapefloor Compact is a trowel multi-purpose epoxy resin system. It is comprised of a decorative quartz aggregate that's available in over 20 different colors and blends. Mapefloor Compact provides great chemical resistance, high mechanical resistance, it's got a low odor, and a superior aesthetic finish. Excellent adhesion to concrete, and can be applied horizontally and vertically, as you also got to see in that demo. Healthcare, education, change rooms and showers, cafeterias, and so on.
Tamer, you take my GoPro?
No. And remember, if you're a professional installer and you'd like an in-person demonstration of this product, please reach out to your local Mapei sales rep and we can schedule a training session. Anyways, thanks to
Seriously?
I thought I can borrow the...
Like you trying to get me to a 5?
No, I just wanted to borrow your trowel. Yeah, anyways.
Dude,
Oh, you hurt your hand? You hurt your hand, huh?
Stick so strong.
Anyways, listen, thank you for watching another episode of Between Two Buckets. And for more information, please visit our website and look for cementitious and resin flooring systems. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.